Hello there and welcome to your weather update from the Met Office. Well, as we go through the next few days, most of us will see some sunshine. There will be some rain around, especially across the northern half of the country. But for all of us, we start off on a very warm note, but as we go through the week ahead, it will start to turn a little bit cooler. The reason is to do with the wind direction. At the moment, we're bringing in some warmer air from the near continent. That hangs around on Tuesday, but as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, the winds start to switch around and we start to see some cooler air begin to move in from the north. Back to Monday evening, for most of England and Wales, it's going to be a fine evening to come, some late sunshine to be had. Northern Ireland and Scotland, however, more in the way of cloud to come here with outbreaks of rain, and the rain will turn increasingly heavy at times as we go into small hours of Tuesday, and probably quite persistent across the Western Isles of Scotland and also Orkney and Shetland. For England and Wales, though, we remain relatively dry overnight. Can't rule out a few showers across Wales and southwest England. And then towards the very end of the night, we could also see some fog patches across parts of Yorkshire into the Midlands, East Anglia and South East England. So do be aware for that if you are driving first thing on Tuesday morning. But look at the temperatures, a very mild start to the day for the time of year. Some places overnight not falling much below 16 or 17 degrees. And on the whole, a warm start really as we go into Tuesday. We will see a little bit more cloud around compared to Monday, but still lots of sunshine to be had across England and Wales, and certainly a much sunnier day for Northern Ireland. And the sunshine across Northern Ireland will gradually spread its way into Scotland as we go through the course of the afternoon, but probably remaining quite wet and cloudy across the Western Isles up towards Shetland and Orkney, but elsewhere a relatively sunny afternoon to come across Scotland. England and Wales, we may start to see a few showers as we go into the afternoon, especially across Wales into the Midlands and Northern England. Can't even rule out the odd rumble of thunder too. But if you do see the sunshine, it's going to be another very warm day, especially in the south, highs reaching 30 degrees in the southeastern corner. The showers will continue to rumble on as we go into Tuesday evening, but they will drift off into the North Sea as we go into the small hours of Wednesday. The rain across the far north of Scotland also just beginning to spread a bit further southwards as we go into the early hours of Wednesday. But for much of England and Wales, it'll be a relatively dry night with a little bit of mist around, and temperatures again not really falling away below 15 to 18 degrees. Something a little bit cooler for the north, and that's signs of things to come as we go into Wednesday. So this area of cloud and outbreaks of rain across parts of Scotland will spread into Northern Ireland and Northern England as we go through the course of the day. Something a little bit brighter to the north, so certainly a much better day for Shetland, Orkney and the Western Isles compared to Tuesday, but feeling much cooler here. To the south of this area of cloud and rain for much of Wales and southern central England, another warm and sunny day to come. Can't rule out the odd shower, but let's have a look at the temperatures. Note the difference in temperatures across eastern parts of England compared to Tuesday. Could see highs only reaching 15 to 18 degrees along that eastern coast, where hanging on to the warmer air down towards the south, here again we could see highs reaching 26 to 27 degrees. And this cooler air will drift across all parts as we go through the rest of the week. Temperatures returning to nearer to normal for the time of year, but for most of us actually the rest of the week's looking fairly dry with some sunny spells, but a keen breeze developing across the south. You can check out more information by following us on our social media channels.